There is no doubt that we are living in a difficult situation. Insecurity, uncertainty, and fear engulf the life, economy, health, and wealth. Recent recovery in India as well as in the global stock market raised some hope amongst the people, and many people started to think that again it will be northbound. We'll show another bull run like last decade. But hold on. Due to the pandemic, most of the business are either in shutdown condition or in partial shutdown. Every day, employees and workers are either losing their jobs or seeing pay cut. Same scenario is applicable globally. In America, 33 million people lost their jobs recently and updated their names in unemployment list, demanded money from the government for unemployment allowances. Due to job loss, many people will not return back the borrowed money to bank. Default rate will be higher and higher. On the other hand, due to the pandemic, large number of companies are unable to operate their business. In turn, many corporate loan defaults are on the cards. In the recent past, we have seen many cases where big loan defaults hit the banking system severely. If some more cases occur, many banks will be in trouble to manage the situation. Many small banks and NBFCs cannot even return back the money to the public, and many will file the bankruptcy. Government and RBI will try their best to pump the money into the economy and market, bring moratorium, bring stimulus packages to boost the banking system and economy. But this time it will not do the same what we have seen in the recent past. It will fail for several months or years. Greedy people, greedy market are thinking that stock and bond market are on recovery stage and will show V-shaped recovery. This time forget about it, at least for 1 or more years. Ultimately, it will end up in M-type curve or at least W curve. Market is waiting for bigger and bigger fall. This is just the beginning. Cascading effect in the economy is just waiting. Even after normalcy and lifting lockdown, there will be deeper aftershock. Many new norms, laws, global and political changes will make the economy more uncertain and more vulnerable. Due to jobless condition in USA, Canada, Europe and Gulf countries, many NRIs will suffer and will come back. This factor in turn will create more unemployment in India. Just think about the leisure, hospitality, aviation and other industries. These are in total shutdown. Be 100% sure that even after lifting lockdown, these industries will suffer many more months as people will avoid hotels, restaurants due to the fear psychology and risk. Due to the pandemic, aviation, hospitality, oil and gas severely affected already. Under the chain reaction, banking, NBFCs, automobiles started suffering. Next turn for household, consumer durables, and after that when capex will be reduced, construction, mining and heavy industries will get the hit. And you are thinking that FMCG service and software will do the good. People will try to hold the cash. People will spend less money. Company will spend less money. Company will not keep budget for the software upgradation. In turn, FMCG software and service industry will get the hit. Now let us see the positive note. Remember, everything is temporary, even the bad situation. So even after M curve, there will be recovery. Gradually banking will be stable. People will get back the jobs. More new jobs will be created in the Indian market. There will be again a boom. People will have cash. People will spend more money. People will travel fearlessly. More bigger capex will be there. There will be positive chain reaction. As per the recent research, India will be a bigger economy, bigger global economy. If you want to see in front of your eyes, then you should have the patience. You have to see the fall also in front of your eyes. This is the cycle. This is the economic cycle, and this is the truth of life.